Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back to you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah! Alright, Jelly Beans, this package is from Rebound My Coonhound and TB's Hobbies. Oh yeah, their links will be down in the description down below. Alright, Jelly Beans, I am back. Ooh. So I consider ASMR with them, what do you call it? The tape ripping off. Yeah. Oh, here we go. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, Jelly Beans. Somebody at work wanted to talk to me. Alright. I am back with all these dryer sheets. Alright, what do we got here? TB's Customs. Ooh. I looked at the, pulled out this first and it says TB's Customs. He's been customizing his own stuff lately, and I like this Greenwood. Ain't no Corvette, is it? Nah, it's not a Greenwood Corvette, but it's a really nice car. I like that. That's a pretty sweet job, Mr. TB. Rebound My Coonhound. Very nice. Nice. Ooh, oh my god. This is nice. 1970 Chevy Blazer. Really nice. Man, I can't wait to like use my new phone, because the picture quality is not doing this justice on here. Very nice. Hot Wheels. He does very good packing too. Very good packing. Wait a minute. Ooh. What do we got here? We have Mod Rod. White wheels. Kind of tacky. Rapid response. '83 Chev Sylvie. Custom Ford Bronchi. Then and now custom Ford Bronchi. Since these are all Hot Wheels, right? I can throw them all on a fire. No, I wouldn't do that. Ooh, baby. dryer sheets. I'll save that one for later. I know what that is. More Hot Wheels. What kind of tape is this? Read about my coon helm. Got a surf and turf. It's factory sealed. You got a Pontiac Fire Chicken, 1970 Fire Chicken. You got a 19 Ford Raptor, Ranger Raptor. You got a 2010 Fire Chief Camaro Super Sport. You got another factory sealed Surf and Turf, different color. You got a bazooka. What the heck? A bazooka. Oh. Sweet ride so far. More of what do you call it? Laundry sheets. Another thing Hotties, Hot Wheels. You know what I'm waiting for. You know what I saved for later. Really? Well, since it's going to be my first one collecting. Porsche 911. Porsche 911 Cabrera. This is my first Porsche. Ooh. Two different color wheels on this one. Chevelle Wagon SS, 1970 Chevelle Wagon. That's pretty neat. I like that. Is that a accident right there? I don't know. Very nice. Hold on. Daredevils. Very nice car. Somebody at work waiting too. I think this is for my niece, Barbie. For first editions, hard nose. Here's a ND 500 oval. Treasure hunt. Mountain Mauler. Pretty sweet all together, y'all. I like that. Pretty sweet. Alright. Now, Oh, got one more row of hotties. Hotties and I think Matchbox. You always sell Hot Wheels and Matchbox when they come in these packets. This one looks old. Ooh. Here's a anniversary edition flatbed hauler. That's very nice. I like that. What the heck? Oh, here we go. Adventure Force. Got the school bus. Yeah. That's pretty cool. I like that. Oh my gosh. Alright. Matchbox ambulance. That's a big sucker too. Holy crap. Matchbox 70 years edition, special edition. That's very nice. I like that. Ambo. Here's a Jeepster, 1967 Jeepster Commando. Here goes another school bus. Bulldogs football state champs, 2002. Sweet! That's sweet. Yeah. Alright. Okie dokie. There we go. Let me get to this one. Here is, ooh. Oh my. It says Christine written all over it, but I know it's a Plymouth Fury, but this is a Belvedere. This is a very nice, very nice. Thank you. Woo-wee. There's a 1970 CRO, I think. Very nice truck, y'all. Very nice. I like this. Very nice. Anybody ask for Dinty Morris stew? This is a very nice GMC Jimmy. Okie dokie. And here is, last but not least, if I ever get these dryer sheets off of it. Oh my gosh. A nice looking Chevy pickup truck. Oh my, the lights turned on. Yeah, very nice. This is sweet. Oh, is it? Nope, no, it's not. Very sweet. I like this a lot. Thank you very much. TV Hobbies. And Rebound My Crew now. Thank you very much. Their links will be down below. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.